Alright, so how do you react when you get feedback to try and improve what you've done before? Remember, the people who've given you feedback have been instructed to use the videos that I made to try and look at where you are with your answer now and give you the next level up. So, for example, if your evaluation only made basic statements about your method with no points on how you were going to improve it, then they'll be giving you feedback that basically points you to try and identify how you change your method and how that would improve your data. So let's look at an example, and you're going to be doing this either in the feedback you received or on the practice feedback sheet that I've made for you. So here's the feedback practice that I've made for igneous rocks, and I've only filled in the hypothesis and the evaluation down below, which is what you were asked to do for feedback. And I've also added in some feedback that I would give this child after I had a look at their answers and after I looked at this little helpful how to give feedback sheet that I'm going to have for you below. So there's my feedback, and they need to actually have a look at what I've said here and try and improve these answers. But before you start, you need to take a screenshot of the answers, of the original answers and your feedback. Then you change it, looking at the feedback for guidance. Then you take a screenshot of your final work. So with this first one here, I'll click on this. I originally put here, we made 2 versions of our rock and we put each into a different box to grow. And the feedback says, describe those 2 variables in a bit more detail. What condition did they grow under that was different? And in this case, well, actually I'm not going to say it because I'll give you the answer, but what was different about the conditions that they grew under? That's what you need to add in there to try and improve it if you can. It will take some thinking. It won't be a 5-minute activity, but it will definitely help improve your marks if you take 10 or 15 minutes to really work on your writing. Then I want you to take a screenshot of how you've improved it, and you're going to be reflecting on that. Good luck.